The Southeast Asian PP and PE market started the week on a stable note, but there are ample indications that sellers are struggling to move cargoes amid a persistently sluggish demand condition. In this tug of war, overseas suppliers started to lose ground as deals for both PP and PE were recorded at lower levels toward the end of the week. Indeed, a Saudi Arabia producer set final PE prices at $100 per ton below the initial offers to Vietnam at $1,420 per ton for HDPE film and $1,440 per ton for LLDPE film. Still, buying interest remains limited for the fact that re-export cargoes from China continue to linger below the $1,400 per ton threshold. Even a South Korean producer has agreed to the price level of $1,350 per ton for both HDPE film and Homo PP to Vietnam, which is below the current ethylene costs. Meanwhile, the demand outlook is less than bullish in Indonesia after a survey done by CommoWatch showed that many small to medium-scale manufacturers are planning to take off for the Ramadan holiday between 2 to 3 weeks this year, much longer than usual due to the lack of end product demand. The local PP and PE market in China kick-started the week on a strong note on the back of the reduced inventory pressure among local producers following weeks of cutting production rates. Before the month-end closing, the total stocks at Sinopec and CNPC's warehouses fell to 790,000 tons, the lowest level since the market returned from the Lunar New Year holidays. Manufacturers from the non-lockdown areas are making small purchases toward the end of the week after suppliers agreed to some discounts. Yet, Chinese traders are not that optimistic about the demand outlook, citing that the lockdown in Shanghai has disrupted the entire supply chain, which could last until the end of April. As a result, sellers continue to push both PP and PE cargoes to the export market. Reluctant at first, several traders have considered to price cuts later in order to achieve deals in the nearby Southeast Asia region.